Today, let's see how do we find out the second largest number from a table. It could be anything like salary or sales or whatever it is. So we have a sample table called orders. So let me show you tables orders, and you can see it stores the details of a set of orders against customers, region, state, country, etc. Now it has the measures of sales, quantity, discount, and profit. Now let's simply check which customer has the highest sales happen. So for that, what you do is customer ID and sum of sales, and you put it as total sales from the orders table, group by customer ID and order by second column, the sum of sales column, right? In a descending order. And when you do this, you can see that the grouping of the customer and their corresponding sales have happened here. This BH11710 is the highest sales. So 3714 is the highest sales that is recorded in the table. The second highest is 3348, right? But how do we find out the second highest from this? We got the highest by simply putting a group by and order by descending order, right? Now, in order to get the second highest, you can use a function called offset. And then offset is basically offset 0 means it is the first record. Offset 1 means it is the second record. Offset 2 means it is the third record. So if you simply keep offset 0, then nothing happens because it is pointing to the highest record. If you keep offset 1, then you can see instead of 3714 here, you can see 3348 came on the top, which is the second largest value. Now, if you put another condition, limit 1, limiting it to 1 record, you can get the second largest value from a table. This is how you crack, how do you get the second largest value from a data table in any SQL interviews. Thank you for watching.